Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone runs iOS 16. 3 or later, and that Face ID or Touch ID is configured. This enables the smoothest app protection. Once done, decide whether you want Apple's built-in screen time passcode to gate apps or a third-party Vault app for stronger locks. Make sure to pick a memorable screen time passcode now, because resetting it is slower. Then open Settings and jump straight to Screen Time. This is where you'll create the actual restrictions that act like a password. Once in Screen Time, tap App Limits and Add Limit. Select individual apps or full categories, then set a short daily limit such as 1 minute to force the passcode gate. After that, configure downtime to restrict apps outside allowed hours and use always allowed to exempt what you still need. Make sure the Screen Time passcode is active. You will use Face ID or Touch ID to grant extra time when prompted. If you need single app focus, enable guided access from accessibility and require a passcode to leave. You finish by testing. Let the app hit its limit, then attempt to open it and confirm the Screen Time passcode prompt appears. Use Face ID or enter the code to allow time. If you lose the Screen Time passcode, try Apple ID recovery first. Failing that, device erase is the last resort, so back up beforehand. For per-app PINs or more granular control, consider a reputable third-party app lock or shortcuts automation. If something fails, toggle Screen Time off and on, then reapply limits to refresh settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.